Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up NordVPN, or any other VPN for that matter, on your Fire Stick. Keep in mind that VPNs mentioned here will work with all versions of Fire TV, but if you're using the Fire TV stick, only the second generation and above are compatible with VPNs. For this example, we'll go with NordVPN. All you need to do is download and install the application. To download NordVPN, start by going to the Find icon and typing Nord in the search bar. NordVPN will appear in the results. Click on it to find the app listed under Apps and Games. Select the app and press Download. Once the app has been installed, choose Open. Once you've selected a VPN, you can download it onto your device and log in using your credentials. You can log in through a QR code, a manual code, or directly with your remote. Once you're logged in, you're ready to use NordVPN on your Fire TV device. If you click on Quick Connect, the app will choose the best available server for you. When connecting to a server, you'll be prompted with a connection request. Press OK to proceed and you'll be connected. You can also manually select a server from a specific country in the All Countries menu. NordVPN currently offers more than 6,000 servers across 61 countries worldwide. Under the Specialty Servers menu, you'll find categories such as Obfuscated Servers and Double VPN. Double VPN provides an extra layer of protection by connecting you through two different servers located in different countries. Obfuscated servers are designed to bypass restrictions in regions with heavy censorship, such as Russia and China. In the Settings menu, there's an option called Split Tunneling, where you can add specific trusted apps to bypass the VPN connection. You can also enable Threat Protection, which blocks ads, unsafe connections, and malicious websites while you're connected to the NordVPN server. NordVPN offers a slightly higher number with 111 countries, along with a range of advanced features that can come in handy in various situations. While there may be a bit of a learning curve with NordVPN, once you get familiar with the features, you'll be able to use it very efficiently. Now that you've seen how easy it is to install a VPN on your Fire Stick, using NordVPN is one of the best ways to ensure your streaming is private and secure. With their easy-to-use app for Fire TV devices, you can access global content and enjoy a smoother streaming experience. The link to try NordVPN for a great price is in the description,